Dedicate this show tonight to Charlie Kirk. God bless you, Charlie. You can kill a man, but you can't kill a message. This country is stronger than any man, stronger than any violence. It's the freest country in the history of the world. And it's worth fighting for. It's worth defending with all your heart. Because we've been able to live our lives in the freest country in the history of the world, but what we need to fight for is our children and our grandchildren. And that's what Charlie was thinking. I've never seen anybody get so much more out of life in 31 years. Charlie Kirk.